Excel isn't typically an application where you will use a lot of images or clip art. However, there are occasions when you'll want to add an image to illustrate your worksheet. You may also want to brand a worksheet by including your business logo in it. Here's an example of an image in a worksheet. This worksheet shows sweater sales results. It has an image on the worksheet layered behind the chart, which illustrates the subject of the data in the chart. Let's switch back to our business expenses worksheet and its chart, and let's add an image. To do this, I'm going to choose Insert, and then from the Illustrations group here, I can select either Pictures or Online Pictures. I'll choose Pictures if the image I want to use is located on my computer. If I choose Online Pictures, I can search for images online at office.com ClipArt. By way of a Bing search, I could access images from my own SkyDrive account, or if I had a Flickr account associated with my Office account, I could also source images direct from Flickr. I don't have an image to use, so I'm going to click Online Pictures so I can find one in the Microsoft Office.com ClipArt. I want an image of a check because these are business expenses, so I think something like somebody signing a check would be a good image to use. I'll type the word check in here and click to search for this type of image. When I see an image that I think might work, I can click on it and then click on its zoom tool to view a larger version of the image, and then close it, and then check something else. I'm looking for an image that would be suitable for my workbook. I'm thinking this image will be fine, so I'll click it to select it and click Insert. Excel has downloaded that image and placed it inside my worksheet. It's much larger than I need it to be, so with it selected I can drag on its sizing handle to reduce its size. I'll do this on the corner handle so that the image is resized in the correct proportions, and I'll place it into position. With the image selected, there are some formatting options that I can use. For example, the image can be rotated. There are rotation options here. It can also be recolored. So I could choose a different color combination for the image, perhaps add a blue accent to it, or this blue accent color. I can also convert the image so it looks as if it's been drawn with a pencil or a mosaic effect, or any of these effects here. If the image is too large, I can crop it, so I can click the Crop tool, and this shows the crop handles around the image. To remove a portion of the image, I'll drag in on one or other of these crop handles, and I can do it from any direction. The dark area here will be removed from the image when I click the crop tool yet again. As I drag this image around the worksheet, you'll see that it covers the data in the worksheet, and it also covers the chart. I can make it so that it appears underneath the chart if I right-click the image and choose Send to Back, Send to Back. This sends it behind everything else on the worksheet, but it doesn't send it behind the text in the worksheet. There is no way to bring an image using this particular feature into a worksheet and bring it behind the text. We'll see how we can do something similar later on, but not in this same way.